Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Chevy Malibu key fob. First, make sure you have all key fobs you want to program, both old and new, ready and accessible. It's also a good idea to ensure your car battery is in good health to avoid any interruptions. This entire process is quite straightforward and usually takes less than 5 minutes from start to finish, so let's get started. To begin, sit inside your Chevy Malibu with all doors closed. Manually unlock your car door with the key on the driver's side. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, quickly turn the key to off and back to on 2 more times in rapid succession. Your vehicle's doors will lock and unlock, signaling that the programming sequence can begin. Now that your car is in programming mode, take the first key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Keep holding them until you hear the car doors lock and then unlock again. This indicates that the fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this exact procedure for every single key fob you need to program, including any existing ones, to ensure they all work. Once all your key fobs are programmed, reinsert the newly programmed key back into the ignition to the on position to end the programming sequence. It's important to test each key fob individually to ensure they all function correctly, locking and unlocking your doors as expected. If any fob isn't working, simply repeat the process. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.